The main cutting parameters are the cutting speed, feed rate, and depth of cut. The cutting speed is the linear speed of the tool relative to the part. It is not the same as the spindle speed. The cutting speed is a linear distance measured in meters per minute, while the spindle speed is measured in revolutions per minute. The cutting speed is directly proportional to the RPM and diameter at which cutting is being done. The feed rate is the linear movement of the tool measured in mm per revolution. The depth of cut is the depth of material removed in each cut. In turning, it is a radial depth, and in facing, it is an axial distance. The material removal rate is the volume of material removed from the workpiece per minute, measured in cc or cubic centimeters per minute. The cutting power is very important because it is the spindle power required to cut the part, and the machine's spindle motor must be able to deliver this much power. The power required depends on the cutting parameters and on the strength of the workpiece material.